Good morning, students. Today I will teach you how we can multiply any number, any 3-digit number with regrouping. Okay, so I will discuss two methods. One is activity based method and the another one that is given in your book. Okay, so let's start. So suppose we need to multiply 304 with 3. Okay, so first method is what? 304 will write, multiply, 3 will write. Okay, now see, this one is ones, this one is tens, and this one is 100. Okay, so we'll multiply 3 first of all with the ones place value, then tens place value, then 100 place value. So 3 fours are, it will be how much? 3 into 4, 3 fours are 12, right? So we'll write these two here. Okay, and this one will give it to the tens place value. Okay, now first of all we'll do multiply. Okay, multiplication, then we'll add the extra value that we just now sent it. Okay, so 3 into 0, 3 into 0, it will be how much? If we multiply any number with 0, we'll get what? 0. Okay, so 3 zeros are 0 and extra 1 it is given, so we'll do plus 1 with that number. So what we get basically 0 plus 1, 1, right? So we'll write 1 here. Okay, now let's move to the 100 place value. So 3 into 3, it will be how much? 3 into 3, 9, right? So our answer is what? 912. Okay, I hope you have understood this method. Okay, next method is what? Activity based method, and that one I think you find it a little bit easy than this one. Okay, so our number is what? 304 multiply 3. Okay, so now we'll use some lines in order to represent the numbers. Okay, so first of all we'll represent this number with lines, then this number with lines. Okay, so as we know, this one is ones, tens and 100. Okay, so on the basis of the place value we'll draw the lines. Okay, so now in 100 place 3 it is written, right? So we'll draw 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. This one is what? 100 place. Okay, now in tens place no number that is given, right? 0 is there, so we'll not draw any lines on tens place. Okay, in tens place we'll not draw any lines. Now see the ones place. So in ones place 4 it is written, right? So we'll draw 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now we'll show this number. Okay, and we'll draw long lines. Okay, in order to show this one. So as you can see 3 it is written, so we'll draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'll find out the point where these two lines intersect, or I can say these two lines meet. Okay, Okay, Now see the 100 place value. 1, here it intersect, right? 2 lines meets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So what we got? At 9 points, these line intersect. Okay? Now this one is 100 place, so we'll do what? 9 into 100, as it is in 100 place, so we'll write 900. Is it clear? Okay, so what I am doing now, I am writing the place value in figures. Okay, so as in 9 points it intersects, so as it is in 100 place, so we'll write 900. Okay, now see in tens place, no line that is drawn, right? So we'll not write anything in tens place. Okay, now see in ones place, where it intersect, so 1, 2, 3, 4, this one is 5, this one is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, as we got what? 12 in ones place. So as 12 is in ones place, so we'll do multiplied with 1. Okay, so what we got? 12. Now we'll do what? Addition. Okay, we'll add these two numbers, so this will become what? 912. Right? Like this also you can do multiplication, okay, with the help of this activity. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Okay, by the use of this activity, you can also find the answers of any multiplication. Okay, so one more I will do. Suppose 123, and this one you have to multiply it with 4. Okay, so we'll draw lines now. So as in 100 place, this one tens and ones. Okay, so as in 100 place 1 is there, so we'll draw 1 line. In tens place 2 is there, so we'll draw 2 lines. And in ones place 3 is there, so we'll draw 3 lines. Okay, so this one is what? 100, tens, ones. Okay, now the number that we need to multiply is what? 4. So we'll draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we'll see where it intersect. So in 100 place, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 points it intersect, so we'll write 4. We'll do multiplied 100 because it is in 100 place, and we got what? 400. Now see in tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got what? 8. We'll do multiply 10, and we'll got what? 80. Right? Now see in ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got what? 12. As it is in ones place, so we'll do multiplied 1, and we'll got what? 12. Now we'll do what? Addition. Right? So this will become 2. 8 plus 1, 9, and this will become what? 4. So our answer is what? 492. Okay, we'll check whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, So I will rub this one and we'll do that method that is given in your book. So what we got? 492. This is our answer. Okay, so we'll do now simple multiplication with regrouping. Okay, okay, now see the ones place value. This one is ones, tens and 100. So 4 threes are, it will be how much? 4 threes are 12, right? We'll write 2 here and we'll keep this one aside. Okay, now 4 twos are, see the tens place, 4 twos are, it will be 8 plus 1, it will be how much? 9. So we'll write 9 here. Okay, now 4 ones are, it will be how much? 4. So as you can see, this one is what we did in activity and this one is what we did it now. Both the answers are same. Okay, so you can use any one method, okay, in order to do this type of multiplication. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now see exercise 3, page number 114. Question number 1, now you will do in your classwork copy. Okay, here you have to multiply the number, okay, by regrouping the ones. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to multiply this number, how to regroup the number. Okay, so that's all for today. This entire question number 1, that is A, B, C, D and E, this entire question you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay.